So I'll be showing you how you can send an audio message to someone who has an Android phone. This might also apply to someone using an iPhone, but they've not activated iMessage, and that means you cannot send an audio message to that user. So for people who have not activated iMessage, and for people using Android phones, when you want to send an iMessage to these people, when you want to send a voice message or an audio message to these people, you have to use third-party applications. So for instance, you can use an app like Facebook Messenger. That's one of them. Another app that's more popular is WhatsApp. Okay, so you can go to WhatsApp and find that contact, hoping they use WhatsApp, or if they don't, you can tell them to install WhatsApp. It's pretty simple. It gets connected to your phone number, and it works just as well as as uh, as iMessage. But the beauty of WhatsApp is that it's cross-platform, so you can use it on either Android or iPhone. So go to WhatsApp, find the contact you want to send a voice message to, and then tap on the microphone icon. Actually, tap and hold the microphone icon, and it's going to start recording. This is a message to Peter, which I hope he will completely ignore because he knows it's a test message. But yeah, hopefully. And then release, and that audio message has been sent via WhatsApp to that person. So whether he has an iPhone or an Android, doesn't really matter. He's going to receive the message and microphone icon, and it's going to start recording. This is a message to Peter, which like that. So that's basically how you can send an audio message to someone who uses an Android phone from your iPhone. For this tutorial, I used the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but you can use more or less the same instructions for other iPhones. Thanks for watching and good luck.